Greetings, fellow gardeners. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of home gardening with a focus on two classic favorites, potatoes and tomatoes. I'm Agrabee, and I'm excited to guide you through the entire process of growing these delicious and versatile crops right in your own backyard. Let's roll up our sleeves and embark on this gardening journey together. Creating the right foundation is key to successful potato and tomato cultivation. We'll cover the essentials of soil preparation, including testing, amending, and ensuring proper drainage to provide the best possible growing environment. Let's start with potatoes. Discover the art of chitting, cutting, and planting potato tubers. We'll guide you through the steps to ensure your potato plants have ample space and nutrients to thrive. Next, it's time to focus on tomatoes. Learn how to start tomato seeds indoors. Provide them with optimal light and moisture, and ensure they're strong and healthy when it's time to transplant them. Tomatoes love a bit of support as they grow. We'll show you various methods of staking and supporting tomato plants, from cages to trellises, to keep them upright and encourage abundant fruit production. As your potato plants flourish, they'll need your attention. We'll cover proper watering, hilling, and pest management to ensure a hearty potato harvest with plump and flavorful spuds. Tomatoes also require consistent care. Learn how to prune tomato plants for optimal air circulation, disease prevention, and enhanced fruit development. We'll help you achieve those juicy and delicious tomatoes. The excitement builds as we approach harvest time. We'll guide you on how to know when your potatoes and tomatoes are ready to be picked, ensuring you get the best flavors and textures. With your bountiful harvest in hand, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. We'll share mouth-watering recipes that let the flavors of your homegrown potatoes and tomatoes shine. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to growing potatoes and tomatoes in your own home garden. By following these stages, you'll soon be relishing in the joy of harvesting your own fresh and flavorful produce. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration and tips. Happy growing and harvesting!